Just don't run.
Hands up. All right. Come out this way here a little bit. Okay, hold it. The end zone there.
Another 3 feet.
I don't want to make this sugar water and anything else. Sugar water and anything else.
Taking too much.
I was waiting for him to go there.
All right. We're ready. Come down. Coming down.
Come in.
Now that's what you need when you remove these all the time. You got to carry one of these petty rooms with you. That's a trail for all. Well, honey. Shake them in before you put them in there. Huh? We're going to shake right in front of the hive and let them go in. All right. We'll shake them right in the front. We're in business here now. Back. Watch for the queen there, Patsy.
Marvelous Marvin.
You ready?
All right.
Photo ops over with, boys.
Down low, get them on. Get them real hard. Get them
Hard
hard.
shot.
Take them hard.
Get them all off there.
There you go.
There they go. They're on the move. This is the magic part right here. Yep.
What's the tapping do?
Tells them where the house is.
Tell them to come in.
Gives them a hollow
I know
sound.
how excited you are.